I have a new container I found for you and on budget, so stick around. This is another one from Hobby Lobby. They have a lot of really inexpensive containers. So this one is $4.49 and it's 8.74 this away, 2.76 this away, 3.86 inches. Anyway, that's the measurements of it. So this one I thought originally I'd use it for my scissors, but then I decided I like it better. Not that it would hold my scissors, but what I'm planning on using it for is my pins and these are my needle pins that I've bought, my white pins that I put in. That's a lot of pins. And I'm able to store them upside down, so the way they need to be stored. I've got a bunch of ink pens here. I have erasable pens and a ton of erasable the mechanical pencils that I keep around. Now that's a lot. You can see how much it's holding in here. That's, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like 11 pencils in there. So they're a decent size, but it doesn't take up too much of the room as far as when you're storing stuff in it. But let me show you what it's like to have other things put in here, because I'm thinking of ordering another one. Because what you can do is it does hold your larger scissors without popping out. It holds any tools that you have. It holds your smaller scissors and erasers and everything. So it'll hold a lot no matter what it is you want to use it for. There is tons of room in this thing and it doesn't take a lot of room for $4.99. So I ordered mine online, but I'm sure they have them in the store. Go get you some. Bye, everybody.